Is it going to be soon? Well, none of us know, so I keep saying to him, well, nobody knows. We just, when it happens, it'll happen. You'll know yourself when the time is right.
And with a gritty determination to continue his life as normally as possible, Gregor took his school exams alongside his mates. And his dad is on the way to the hospice with his results.
Postman.
Gregor, oh Gregor.
For Gregor and his family, they're proof of his spirit and determination.
We know what to do it. Do you want to do it here or in your room? Are you ready? Oh, Gregor. Oh, at the shakes. We've got biology. We've got a C for biology.
Yeah, that's good.
Well done.
Well done, Gregor. Aye, thanks.
C for English. You got your English? All in all, you've got 1, 2, 3 C's, an A and 2 B's. So tough. Oh, I'm so tough.
It's a fantastic day for the Andersons.
That's quite good.
And it's these special days, whether they're exam results or the fabulous days out that you have paid for, that bring a smile and lift the spirits of people who face huge challenges. Please help us make more memories and more smiles by giving as much as you can. 08457 910 910. Thank you.
We'd like to say thank you so much for watching. Please keep donating, and you can turn over to BBC One now!
Now, please. Bye from us.